Connecting your device to the LG ThinQ app via Wi-Fi, iPhones. If you are using LG products, you can make your life a lot easier by connecting them to the ThinQ app. Connecting devices to the ThinQ app on iPhones. Before connecting your device, make sure both the device and the wireless router are powered on, and that the ThinQ app is installed on your smartphone. If everything is all set, let's find out how to connect your device. Connect your smartphone to a Wi-Fi network you want to use, and open the ThinQ app. On the home screen, go to Add a Device. Then select Device and tap the Next button. Now, the first step is completed. Select the device you want to add from the list. Then, move closer to the unit. Following the instructions on the screen, press and hold down the Wi-Fi enabling button for more than 3 seconds. Check to see if the Wi-Fi icon or the LED light is blinking or switched on. Proceeding when the icon or the light is not blinking or switched on will prolong the process. If everything is clear, tap the Done button. On the home screen of your iPhone, select the Settings icon. Then, go to Wi-Fi. You will see a Wi-Fi network with 4 characters or numbers written at the end of the name. Select the network and enter the last 4 characters or numbers twice as the password. If the name has 6 characters or numbers at the end of it, enter LGE12345 as the password. If there are no numbers or characters at the end of the name, you can immediately connect your product without entering the password. Return to the ThinQ app and access the network settings screen. Then, select the name of the Wi-Fi network to connect to, and enter the password. Soon, the device will be added. You can see the added product card shortly, and once you tap Go to Home, it will also appear on the home screen of the app. Now that brings us to the end.